They say beauty is pain, but nobody warns you that plaiting your hair is like signing up for an extreme sport. One minute you're chilling, the next minute you're questioning all your life choices. But hey, today, you get a front row seat to my hair journey, where patience meets pain, and pain meets beauty. Let's go. Step 1. Sit down, act brave, and pretend you're ready for anything. The stylist parts your hair, and you're thinking, wow, this isn't so bad. The first few braids are calm, almost relaxing. Like, is this a spa day? But then, plot twist. Suddenly she grabs one section like she's pulling hidden Wi-Fi from your scalp. You smile politely, but deep down you're like, okay, I wasn't ready after all. Now comes the real test, the halfway point. This is the danger zone where your back starts aching, your neck feels like it's holding a world record, and your stomach is whispering, "Did you forget me?" But then you catch a glimpse of the style forming in the mirror, and hope returns. You start hyping yourself up. Yes, I'm going to look like royalty when this is done. Each braid is a battle, but together they're building a crown. And honestly, that moment when the style begins to take shape, priceless. Finally, the home stretch. The stylist dips the braids in hot water, lays the edges to perfection, and polishes every detail. Suddenly, all the pain is gone. You've forgotten the pulling, the hours, the complaints, because now you're just busy admiring yourself. It's like watching a construction project transform into a skyscraper. Slow, steady, and totally worth it.
OMG!
And that's it. Mission accomplished. From messy beginnings to a full-blown masterpiece. My crown is ready, my confidence is high, and yes, I survived the marathon of plaiting. If you enjoyed this little journey, laughs, struggles and all, don't forget to subscribe. Because trust me, more fun, more transformations, and more behind-the-scenes stories are definitely on the way.